Imagine someone handing you a glass filled with one of the deadliest snake venoms on Earth. One tiny mistake, and you're done. Now imagine carrying that same venom inside your own body every single day. Sounds like a terrible survival strategy, right? So why don't venomous snakes accidentally poison themselves? The answer isn't simply that they're immune. If you were a venomous snake, life would be incredibly risky. Every meal, every fight, every defensive strike would involve injecting one of the most powerful biological weapons on the planet. One leak into the wrong place could seem like a disaster waiting to happen. But this wasn't even the biggest problem. Venom isn't some magical liquid that appears out of nowhere. Your body has to manufacture it constantly. It's a complicated mix of proteins and toxins designed to shut down muscles, destroy blood cells, or attack the nervous system. So why doesn't it damage the snake while it's being made? The answer starts with where venom is stored. Instead of floating freely through the snake's bloodstream, venom is locked away inside specialized venom glands behind the eyes. Think of them like highly secure chemical factories with reinforced storage tanks. The venom stays sealed off until the snake bites, and muscles around the glands squeeze it through narrow ducts into the fangs. But that raises an even stranger question. What if the snake accidentally bites itself? Scientists have seen venomous snakes bite themselves or even other snakes of the same species. Surprisingly, many survive without serious problems. Does that mean snake venom suddenly stops working? Not exactly. The real reason may surprise you. Venom is designed to work after it's injected into another animal's tissues or bloodstream. If you were to swallow most snake venoms, your stomach would usually digest the proteins before they could do much harm. That's why venom isn't the same thing as poison. Poison hurts you when you eat, drink, or touch it. Venom has to be injected. Some venomous snakes have evolved natural resistance to parts of their own venom. Their blood contains molecules that can block certain toxins if a small amount accidentally escapes. It's like carrying a limited emergency antidote, just in case. But notice the word limited. They're not invincible. A large dose injected into the wrong place can still injure or even kill another snake. Not every venom works the same way. A venom that's devastating to a mouse might barely affect another reptile. Evolution shaped each venom for the snake's favorite prey, almost like designing a key for one particular lock instead of every lock in the world. That also explains a common misconception. People often imagine venom as one universal deadly liquid. In reality, it's more like a toolbox filled with different biological weapons, each evolved for a specific job. Some target nerves, others attack muscles, others destroy blood or tissues. Different snakes carry different combinations depending on what helps them hunt best. So snakes don't survive because they're completely immune to venom. They survive because their bodies keep venom carefully isolated. They've evolved defenses against accidental exposure, and their own venom isn't automatically the perfect weapon against themselves. It's a reminder that nature doesn't solve problems by making animals indestructible. It solves them by making just enough clever adjustments to keep them alive. And sometimes, the world's deadliest weapon is safest in the hands of the creature that built it.